Alrighty, here we are, guys. We're back at the second gen Dodge Ram. This is the 1500. As you can see, I'm dealing with my HVAC lines. And this is different from what you'll deal with today. Today, these lines are not in existence. They actually use electrically controlled actuator motors and stuff like that. Back in the day, it was vacuum control. So on this vehicle in particular, you can see that I have a severed line. So all I have to do is repair that. I have some replacement line that I pulled off another one, and I'm just going to sever them back together via a connection point. And you can find these lines to replace them. They run all down the right side of this vehicle, right around the blower box and all that type of deal. So if you have an issue where the air is just blowing out the defrost vent or something like that, or it's not operating the selector, this is where you want to check to make sure the issue is correct. And this doesn't just apply for Dodge, it applies for all vehicles in this range where they operated the HVAC system off of air as opposed to electric. Like, comment, subscribe, and